Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore Glen, Waterfall. Waterfall Glen, whatever, but it's in the Forest Preserve Basin in Illinois. So let's go check it out. Like this post say, it's about 0.4 mile hike. Should be a very nice trail to hike on. Well paved. There you go. A little bit of information for you right here. 180 car parking lot. Alright, just nice little hiking trail. Actually, there's a bike that go through here also. So stay on your right so they don't run over you. So here's a detailed map. There's actually about a lot of trail here to explore the whole place. We will do that another day. Today we're just gonna chase after Waterfall. Well, introducing my partner in crime chasing Waterfall, my youngest son. He's kind of shy on camera, so he doesn't want to be on camera, but it's good you're gonna get. Don't know if you can hear it. You can hear people already over there. So maybe the waterfall is pretty close by. I hear a little bit of water running. Not loud, but let's see. Keep going. See, there's a creek over there, but they look pretty dry. Let's hope we have some water running on the waterfall. All right, let's press on. This is a man-made waterfall. Unfortunately, not enough water running for it to be a waterfall here. Supposedly the waterfall running down this. Oh well, too bad. We just gonna hike the trail for the day. Yeah, I bet you when it's rain hard, there's gonna be water running down here. So I might have to come back here when it's rain a lot. Yeah, pretty dry. Just gonna hike some random trail. See where the trail taking us. Maybe there's a viewpoint somewhere. Yeah, we can just gonna stay on the main trail. There's many little trails, but I'm not gonna take that risk. Just gonna hike this way. This way. What? Going this way. Here's a little information about this trail. You can pause and read it for yourself. The thing I noticed about this is not a lot of flower blooming here, except for these. A little bit of flower, I guess. So far, this is the only thing I saw. Well, let's see what the signs say here. Huh? Something new. Never knew there's many different kind of oak out here. Well, according to the signs, say the rough bridge. It's not very rough to me here. Oh yeah, it is rough. It's all metal grade bridge. We are into almost 1.5 miles. I don't know what is at the end of this trail, but we're gonna find out when we get there. Well, we reached the end of the trail, but there's not much to see except for power substation here. So we are heading back. Well, after a little bit over an hour and almost 3 miles, we are back to the parking lot. Quite a lot of few people here, you know, doing the hiking, biking. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.